Hello everyone and welcome to MA 222. Alright, so I thought to make a small video to guide you through Brightspace and how to create your account with Pearson. So first of all, we have the course information. There are only 4 tiles, right? So course information, content, Pearson, and Excel projects. This is still empty. It's going to be populated later on during this semester, right? So let's go first of all to course information. All right, so as you know here, there is a syllabus still the same, and then you getting started here, right? So this is a video to how to create your Pearson account. I would strongly suggest you to see it. Probably gonna be about a minute or 2 minutes. Going back to getting started again. So here, this is the instructions. There is no code for the class. So the only thing you are supposed to do is to go to this Pearson link. You have it twice, once here, and you have it as well under this tile Pearson over there. All right, we're gonna get there eventually, right? So what you're gonna do, you just click on this, and supposedly this is gonna direct you to Pearson right away. You're gonna create your account. Watch the video to see how can you proceed with your account. Well, since I am already logged in, I get into my account right away, right? But for you, it should be different since you are logging in for the first time. And please try to use the free trial. You get about 2 weeks, 14 days free trials. All right, so having said that, now we can go back to content again. So course information is done. Getting started already done. Calculators, this is important part. And Microsoft Excel as well. We're going to be using it here. So this is a direct link to TI-84, which you're going to be using. If you open the link, I think in your phone, this should be like the size of your phone, and you're going to be like virtual calculator in your phone. I trust there are other applications who are for TI-84. You are free to browse and install any application as you want. This is not an installation. This is a web application, so it's not installed on your phone or computer, right? Now, there is another option. You are free to explore it if you want to. So here, Wabbit emulator graphic calculator. See the instructions. Now, for Microsoft, everybody should have a Microsoft Excel on their computers. So as a student in FIT, you should have a free access to Microsoft Excel. And here the website on FIT, so you can follow the instructions and how do you download it, right? All right, so I'm done with the syllabus, course information. I'm gonna go to content, second tile, and just I'm gonna explain how I went through this. So basically there is a lecture and there is a link to the lecture that I did it in previous classes. So the lecture is using PowerPoint. This is supposed to be the link to the PowerPoint. This is the link to the lecture and so forth. So there is a PowerPoint lecture, right? And then in the end you have an assignment. This link over here that you see, this is not the assignment link. This is a video solution for the question on the assignment link. So the questions that you're going to have, they are very similar, only numerical applications slightly different. Okay, so be aware about this. Try to check the solution. It shouldn't be really difficult to do the homework. Everything is solved technically, right? Now, where do you find the homework? So after the content, there are 7 sections, by the way, and they are all the same setup. Whenever you go to Pearson, this is the third tile, and you're gonna see here the link direct to Pearson over here, and this is your assignment. So this is my stat lab 1, my stat lab 2, and so forth. So there is an exam after the 5th homework, and there is another exam after the 9th, exam number 2, and the final is going to be after the 12th. All right. And here you have some useful link for tools for Pearson. So you can go to your course homepage, you can get to the text, e-text. So this is the ebook. You should open there, the gradebook, and all assignments. You can get to all assignments through Pearson as well, and over here. Okay, for the Pearson tool, I just clicked on the e-text and click on all other assignments. So the e-text is right here. This should be active once you activate your account with a free trial. All right. And this is all the assignments, and you have the due dates over there, right? So I think that's about it. Yeah, probably. Yeah, the calendar probably I'm gonna add here. So the calendar, you have all the events supposedly over there. Yep. So there you go. So all the due dates here, you should get an announcement about automatically from Brightspace that about to end. If anybody miss it for any one reason or the other, please send me an email. I'm pretty flexible with this, right? All right, that's all. Thank you.